Hey everybody, XJoe81X, and on the tubes today, I'm going to be telling you that the motor broke again. April 28th, 2026. A couple weeks ago, there was those 2 or 3 days where New York was 80 plus, and it really hit hard. We're not really ready for that overnight. So I think it was a Wednesday, Thursday, or a Thursday, Friday. You know what? Let's just say it was a Wednesday, Thursday. Wednesday, I didn't do anything. Thursday, midday, we're outside playing. I said, you know what? Let's get the humidity out of the house. Let's turn this on. I go up to the thermostat, turn it to cool. I think the house was like 76. So I'm like, let's just do 72. I come outside. I really don't hear anything, and maybe it's my fault. I thought I heard it engage, and we didn't really say anything and do anything. We were in the backyard. At some point, I hear a loud buzzing. And it started getting louder, and you could understand it was coming off of this. So I come over here like this. I said, oh my God, the fan. So I run up, I shut it off. I said, oh, okay. So I wait a little bit. I wait like 15-20 minutes. So open the window, open the door. I'm like, all right, turn it on. So it goes, you hear the compressor down there go, and the blade goes like this. So I take a stick and I move it left and right. It freely moves. I said, all right, shut it down. So now it broke. Try not to. Shaft moves, which would mean that the blades move. Okay. Let me show you exactly what this is, because now it's out. This is called an ECM motor. I'm assuming it's called ECM, electronic control motor. Supposedly what happens is one's ground. It's 4 wires. Supposedly it brings 24 volts in here, and then it talks to something. No big deal, right? Well, let's just look at what this is. You guys can hit pause for all you brains out there. Okay? Really not seeing that much. I'm seeing, what it does. Let's go down to here. Yeah. 3 years. I will put all the links in the description that have to do with this. The install, it broke once, it broke twice. This is number 3. There's really nothing else to do. Supposedly you can't open it up. You can't fix it. You can't gut it. I'm assuming, ground. Okay. So let's just get this out of the way. Make sure there's no tags on it. Warning. Okay. Yeah, okay. Basically, this is called a donor motor. What's a donor motor? Well, it's basically a motor. I'm trying to get a good angle so you could pause the side I don't know if it gives you, of course it's upside down. So let me zoom in. I'm sorry it's upside down, but it's pretty much what you would need, and then it tells you how to make it certain things. Oops, sorry. You get the gist. Okay. What you do is you pop this off. Beauty cover. Take these 4 bolts off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at that. Stripped. Okay, you take these 4 or 5 wires out. I'll show you that later. You take it out. You cut them, whatever you have to do. First of all, you pull the power. Then you do all that. Then you cut the wires. Then you put your hands under here like a pizza. You flip it upside down. As you're flipping it, this piece comes out. The wires come out. Right here. Right? Get that amount of set of us. They come up, they go down. Okay, so now you flip it. Now you have this fan. This fan has a set screw on it. They make pullers. And that's that. Then there's 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you get the fan off, take the fan off. Now you could take the motor out of this housing, and then you could reverse it. Make sure that the fan blade is sitting relatively where it's supposed to. You don't want it too high, and then it hits, and then you don't want it too low. No problem. That's the least of your worries. Put the wires back in, feed it, but you have to add a capacitor. He added this little cigarette looking guy. Again, listen, I'm not expecting what I'm not expecting. The original one comes with a bracket. Okay, maybe this one could have been installed with a bracket. It is what it is. I'm not here to tell you. There's only 2 wires, and this is what kind it is. Okay, the big stuff is for the compressor. So they still had 4 wires. White went to the top. 1 brown went to these 2. And the black power. So it looks like you do. So what it does is it looks like you're feeding the white and the black. You bring in power to the motor. And then the motor comes back and you're doing 2 browns. And then it all talks to each other. I guess when this engages, beep. Oh, you know what we'll do? Let me hit this button and see if it rotates the motor. Okay, come on. Okay, previously when you would hit that smart motor would never turn the blades. Okay, well, put the ground back on. Main power came into the bottom. What do we have here? Brown, black, 2 browns, black and white. Black and white come up, white, black. So you bring power to the motor, and then you put a capacitor. That's the capacitor. There's nothing on the other side. Is there anything on the bottom? Yeah. And that capacitor looks just like this. 4 prongs. 2 prongs each side, but, you know, multiple connections. That's it. April of 2026. It broke again. Hit like, hit subscribe. I'm going to put this all back. Any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. Please scroll down. There's going to be links in the description of all the previous times and potentially the install. Thanks for watching. If you want to know what kind of system this is, I do have the tag here. You could hit pause because there's the date. It was fabricated in 2015. There's all the crap you need. So when you need a donor motor, I needed to send a picture of that, and I needed to send a picture of that tag so they could mimic this tag. Hit like, hit subscribe, and maybe one day the air conditioner won't break.